All right.
Hi folks, Jim the AMSOIl man here. Hey, it's October 1st, a beautiful fall day, but we all know that winter's right around the corner. It's time to start protecting your summer toys and put them away, and protecting your vehicle. Today we're going to talk about protecting the finish on your vehicle with AMSOIl ceramic spray. A lot of ceramic sprays have to be applied by a professional. They cost thousands of dollars. This is very reasonable and is formulated for the do-it-yourselfer. Very easy to apply. You shake it up, spray it on, wipe it off till it's dry. And you know what? The water will just bounce off the hood. That's what you want for protection. The winter time coming. Now there'll be a link on this posting, and you can check all this out on the AMSOIl Car Care line. And thank you for watching, folks. Take care.